This Photoshop AI tool is just amazing. Although they have copied this from Stable Diffusion, but you know, right? Experience in Photoshop is much more better than any other tool, at least for photo editing. Well, you probably know how I got this Photoshop tool, right? I'm broke, but I managed to get it. So this is a picture of Hatsune Miku. I AI generated it, but unfortunately her hands, it's just distorted. All I have to do is just go to this lasso tool, click here and then wrap around the area that I wanna fix. I wanna fix this area because it looks terrible. Let's see if Photoshop AI can do it. Selection really matters a lot. You can do the same thing with Stable Diffusion, but Photoshop experience is much more better. Well, I'll leave everything blank because it will try to automatically fill that area. If I write something, then it will fill whatever I write. See? That almost fixed it. Right. Let me go to the next variation. Well, this variation looks better. It's not perfect though. Well, all I can do is basically use this one more time. One more time I can select this area and I can try to fix it as many times as I want. I'll wrap, I'll generate, leaving everything blank, and it should. This is impressive, not gonna lie. Well, let me scroll through the variations really quick. I guess I like the first one. It's impressive. Well, so it's done. Earlier it was like this. Now, after generative fill, it became like this. You can also fix this thing like this. What is that called? Valence stick is a little distorted. I'll basically wrap around this valence stick, generative fill, and generate. Done, it's fixed. See, it actually gives you some variation, and I guess I like the third one. Like this, you can fix every aspect of your picture. Well, everything is finished. Now, wouldn't it be nice if I could increase the size of this picture? Yeah, that is definitely possible. All you have to do is just go to this crop tool, press C, or just click here, and just move this thing. Make sure your ratio is basically blank, so that you can get this free movement. If you want to make your image square, however, let's say 1:1, then you can basically do things like this. Width and height will be same across. But I don't want to generate it squared. So what I need to do, I'll basically go here and put it blank. Now it's a free size. Now what I want to do is extend my background. Extend this character as well. All I need to do is basically go to the selection, rectangular selection or rectangular marquee tool. You can also do that using M. I'll select this area, then I'll click here, which will invert my selection. Basically, whatever is not selected will get selected. This portion you see is getting selected. All I have to do is basically do the same thing, generate. Generative fill. As you can see, it did generative fill, right? And I find this one, well, the third one is good. All of them are good, right? If you really want to know how I got Photoshop by being broke, then just send me a DM on Insta. I'll definitely help you. That will be it for now. I'll see you next time. Until then, if you like this kind of content, then definitely you know what to do. Well, have a nice day. Have a nice AI day.